in the first place.
Who?
Yeah.
Oh, so we
Cool.
see
I actually kind of like
Oh, we're seeing
a little bit of
he just got home.
extra scenes that we didn't get before to kind of build up to it.
Oh,
Because we got Denji's perspective, basically.
Growing up.
But he's basically out right
I mean,
now.
that can be a
Some good animation for
Damn.
the
It's
like.
just deliberate to
Look
take
at him, body
him to
flopping all
her
over my
place.
boy.
You ready?
Is he gonna brush the teeth?
The brushing of the
Right,
teeth. What
right.
is coming?
Bro, we get just like we
Yeah.
saw freaking
The transition from the taking him
we
to her
we
place
seeing
for
freaking-
just
Oh, wait,
taking
let
care
it
of
go.
him.
Let it go.
hungover fucking
Come on,
walk home.
Tay.
and shit, you know?
Clear her head a
Oh, okay.
little
So no, she drinks some more.
She
yeah.
proceeds to get another
She's
drink.
Although if you look at what's in there, well,
meal
there's
prep
some
food.
Yeah, there's some meal
Go
prep
to
food in there.
bed.
This is
Right.
cool.
Right. So then she
This
comes
point
over.
of view, though,
P.O.V.
That's cool. That is
it does make you feel like a stalker.
wow.
Proceeding to
And so she
I feel
spits the alcohol in him, the beer in him, because he
Like-
asks for water.
Right,
Oh
exactly.
my gosh.
Oh my god.
And then you tell me
I
he
forgot
More
she actually did
intense.
that.
drunk.
You really like spitting
Girl,
things
I don't
in
want
his
your
mouth.
backwash.
First two
girl,
kisses
you
getting
gonna
fluids
hold
in
your
your
backwash.
mouth.
Oh, no
Yep.
more.
Wow. Yeah.
They gonna do all this and hit us with the opening. Watch.
Yeah,
I
like,
guarantee
Maybe
you.
you'd be able to be
You're gonna ask the
convinced,
question
but-
again, and we're gonna get slapped with the opening.
Oh, she's coming to kiss us. Like, that's the point of view shots that freak me out.
Yes. Yes.
Uh-oh.
That was a
Now the opening.
that was a knee-jerk reaction right
No,
there.
No.
I don't think it's gonna go down like
No.
that, though.
Oh.
There's the possibility that she passes out before they have sex.
Oh! Ain't no
It
something's about to
can't. No,
happen.
this can't
Who
happen.
about to bust in here? It's gonna be
Wait.
What?
手になんか入っちゃるよ。
Hey, Chupa Chups. What? Oh, a sucker?
What's up?
I'm like, fuck the chupa chop. Throw that shit away.
レンジ君。
Oh my god, she has a sucker in her mouth. And the sucker that
I'm always
freaking
gonna
just
remember
took out of
that,
his
yeah.
pocket didn't have a wrapper on it. Oh my god, she is about to take that sucker out of her mouth and he about to. That's wild.
Or wait, no.
口開けて。
That's wild.
Oh, wait.
I'm good.
Oh, indirect kiss.
Let's
there
just
we
think
go.
about that
Nice.
Now you'll
sucker.
taste.
So it was happening.
Lollipop and
Oh my
shit.
gosh.
Yeah, yeah.
とりあえず、ファーストに
That's what
関
I'm saying. That was straight indirect.
チュッパチャップスのコーラ味だね。
Aw.
Okay. She
And
fell
that-
asleep. Good.
That killed the whole thing.
I wish we could have seen though
How to say?
the transition.
Okay, anything innocent, he will put you down.
I think that's it. Is that basically he
When she was like you, then he was like,
Yeah, I don't think I'm in for
I
this.
mean, he's
Yeah,
like, bro,
yeah.
I waited this long. What's a little bit longer, you know?
that's cool to use
Awesome.
an item basically to get kind of the focal point for
That
that.
was very fucking uncomfortable. Which I think was the intention of the.
Now will everybody have
Writer, so
cooler
good
heads
job.
kind of thing?
right.
Luscious.
Yeah, she's definitely a lot more clear
She's
now,
a
and
beautiful
Yep.
apartment.
So nice.
things just seem generally more just
I
chill.
guess they're paid pretty well.
Yeah, you blacked out all right.
こんなことされなかった？
Girl, you
You
about
tried.
did. You well, no, she did a little bit actually. That ain't what she wanted to
よか
hear.
ったよかった。店に手を出したら大丈夫。
Ah! Yes!
Yes, they
did.
Thank you! Thank you! Holy shit!
We brought up.
Holy shit! Thank you!
私がデンジ君とマキマさんをくっつけて
Oh,
So you could get Aki?
マジマジ。
Is she doing this so she can get to Aki?
Obviously, it because she
oh,
was
that's good.
Because I'm telling
Because
you,
then it'll sabotage Aki.
I knew it, bro.
Yeah.
I knew
Yeah,
it.
so she could get Aki.
I
There's
knew
the
she had a
catch.
thing for Aki.
あいつんどこ好きなの
顔。
She said that quick. She said that boy handsome.
いいぜ乗った同
Cute!
盟組もうぜ
じゃあ今日から私たちは先輩後輩じゃなくて友達で行こ
Cool. I bet. I rock with her, yo. Normal human being.
Yeah.
Silent.
What the fuck was that?
Whoa! Whoa! What was that?
Why they all put their heads down?
hold on.
Calm.
That everyone like fell
Not
over.
even tunnel. It just turned to darkness.
Someone zipping? Wait, what's going on?
Are they about to be attacked?
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh my god!
dead.
fuck?
She's a demon.
That's just
No.
The fuck?
All that talk about food
I
and meals
didn't
and
see
stuff.
that coming!
Holy shit! Unless, what if she actually was just
What?
dead?
No,
No way. There's no way a character as popular as her dies.
Status quo completely thrown out the window.
Wild ass. How that happened.
Guys,
Right,
like antagonists
right.
and stuff.
Wait, they about to jump
And it
them
was, I
too?
guess.
Wait, what is
shit,
going on?
no, are there
It's
going
just
on?
going on.
Killing them?
Hit.
Yeah.
Wait, are they trying to take out the whole unit? Is that what's going on?
Associated with the agency.
Oh!
Look at you,
You're kidding me.
No guns. I think they're associated with the gun.
Nah, ain't like a family history. What is
Sure.
wrong?
You devil hunters. Oh.
Oh!
The Yakuza were all slaughtered. I don't think he's pulling out a gun though. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, bro, I didn't love that man. He used me.
Oh, the gun's
Now he's pulling out a gun.
Holy shit! Holy shit! What?
By the way, Benji got dead.
That was nice.
What is on? Holy shit, Himeno!
Shit. I feel like this is almost not happening.
A building. What?
Neither human nor devil. Wait, what was that? What is it?
What is he then?
He's on his Benji shit like
The guy from the old Yeah.
What, Blade Devil?
Whoa.
Sword Devil?
Is it the sword?
Swordman? So it's like
Oh, what was that?
Well, he's using the sword. He's using the sword.
Oh no.
Isn't this what
He
wasn't supposed to
use because it will show for the lifespan?
oh my god.
One?
I believe she is.
Holy crap. What is this guy?
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Holy shit, Aki! What?
So, what I'm getting at, what he is probably exactly like Denji, I'm guessing.
Aki's sword is on some other shit. What
Because
kind of
the
shit was
box
that?
never said
Crucified.
Oh my god!
That was amazing.
I don't know what is happening, but
Oh, well, I think she brought him back to
Did
life.
she revive him?
She was brought back to life, yeah.
Oh, that boy quick.
No.
Did we just lost a bunch of people in one fucking episode that I did
He's
not
not dead.
see coming?
He can't be.
I'm in shock, dude. What is happening?
No!
No, don't sacrifice your life either.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
She knew she's gonna die
That's
anyway, so...
wild, bro.
Just this once. I'm gonna go all
this
out.
is
sacrificing
Oh my
herself?
god.
Is this gonna kill her though? Oh my gosh.
All this just to try and save Aki.
Oh my god.
Oh, freaking kid! No!
Oh my
Get
god.
her whole body.
Holy shit.
I'm just trying to speak.
Oh my god. She got a snake? Hey, it was,
Nah, she's okay,
it was
bro.
all for nothing?
Nothing.
Damn.
Wow.
Oh my
She
god.
literally sacrificed herself for nothing.
What the fuck?
I passed.
Heck, that's evil.
Yo, the amount of
Why,
people that
Shao,
got bodied in
why?
this episode was
What
insane.
the fuck?
She said
Wow.
to her. She said to